Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, the Asian Mechanic Guy. And for today we got this 1993 Honda Civic. Complain of this car, it cranks but it won't start. So if you remember this few months ago, we already replaced the, I think, spark plug, the bulb cover gasket, and also the main relay. This car had an intermittent stalling problem before, but after we replaced the main relay, car, start and it runs for few months. But right now it's back, and they said it cranks but it won't start. So let's confirm the problem. Let's try to start the car and let's see if it's start and it won't, it cranks and it won't start. Right, so let's try to start the car. Oh yeah, one more. Okay, one more time. Okay, so it's confirmed. Car only cranks but it won't start. So if you encounter this problem, cranks no start, so let's go to basic. First let's see if there is a current, a spark. Maybe let's try this, or this one closer to the to the ground, and then let's put a spark plug in here and let's see if there's a spark. So let's gonna do that. Alright, so I'm using my cheap spark plug tester. So let's put it on maybe 10 kilovolts, 20, let's try 15. Okay, so that's it. So there should be spark in here. Okay, let's put it over here. That's the ground. Then let's insert this. There you go. You know what, let's zoom. Hold on, let's zoom it. Oh yeah, it's on. So let's start the car again, and then let's see if there's a spark. So we're looking for spark. Okay, I'm gonna start the car now. Okay, that should be good. Let me rewind the video. Hold on. Alright, so I did check the video and we don't have spark. So our next step is to go over here on the distributor, and I'm pretty sure we had a bad ignition coil. But before, alright, so this is number 8. It's kind of dark. Okay, let's put it over here. Alright, so it has, I think, 3, yeah. The number 8. Oops. Okay. 3 bolts. Come on. Let's check the roller cup. We're gonna clean this too. Okay, so let's remove this. We gotta crank this. You know what we can do, we can put the test light in here, right there, and let's see, there's a spark in here, like that. Come on, baby, there you go. That's good enough. See it? Let's see if there's a spark. Put it here. There you go. A little bit closer. There you go. Let's start the car. Let me check if there's a spark. Oh yeah, there's no spark, so I'm pretty sure this is a bad ignition coil. So let's just remove the ignition coil. So in removing ignition coil, let's remove this one. So there is a Phillips screw. I mean, what's this? A bolt, small bolt in here. If you couldn't find this one, just crank it. Just keep cranking until it will join here. Let me just remove it. Alright, so this is the way I remove that, small bolt right there. Use this setup. Now it's already loose. That very small here. So in removing the bolts, I did use this one. This is very effective. And then if it's too tight, put some PB blaster, then use this one, especially the one over here. I'll show it here. These 2 bolts right here, this one, the one in here, and the one in here. See that? It's already, busted. So I did use, a vice grip. Now let's remove this. So again, use this one. It has a better grip. Okay, don't lose this. So I just want to show you how I do it. That's how I do it. See that? This is the most important thing. Then just twist it, and then as soon as it's loose, that's it. You can remove it. Now see it? It's loose. Now you can use screwdriver. Oh shit, sorry. It's really hard to film it. Just gonna remove it. Alright, so there you go. It's very tiny like this. Now we can put the new one. So I already put a new one. What's that? So it's a T series. Let's compare it. It's not the original parts, cheap part, but still gonna work though. Right? Let's put this on. Alright guys, so I already put the new one. This is the new one. I'm gonna show it to you. So that's the new one. Look at right there inside. And then the old one is in here. It's the old one. So I think this is original one because it has a letter writing in here, but this one it's blank. And then the color, see the color, that's gray and this is black. Let's put the rotor and let's start the car if it's still gonna work, if it's gonna work. Okay, let me sand this with sandpaper. So let's sand this. Sorry, I couldn't show it to you, but basically I just sanding this 4 connection in here. That's it. Alright guys, let's start the car. Everything is in. Oh, the battery. Let's go. It's fine. There's my alright guys, so moment of truth. Let's start the car. Alright guys, that's it. It's running now. I just want to show you, maybe over here. I will be showing you that there is already a spark. So here's this. See, that is puts it. One more. Maybe I will do this. See that? It's already a spark. Already fixed. So yeah, so that's it. So again, when you diagnose a car with a crank no start, you start first with your spark, and then if you don't have spark, then focus on your ignition coil. For this one is a distributor type. It's not a coil and plug. So after we put a new ignition coil, the car runs. So that's it guys. So if you have any question, any suggestion about this video, please comment down below and consider like and subscribe my channel too. That's all for today and see you in my next video. Bye bye. Again, let's turn it off and start it again. Yep, it's already fixed. Used coil.